My first thought is the tracking. My understanding is that right at the base of the blade teeth, so at that gullet, that is supposed to be right in the middle of your tire. Okay, so that your blade teeth are on this, to the left of center, just to the left of center, and the rest of the blade is to the right of center. If you have it too far forward, then I think you'd have the issue that you're talking about, where the blade likes to drift in. If you have it too far back, I think you'd have the blade drifting out, right? But if you have it positioned on the wheel or on the tire where it's supposed to be, I think it helps keep the blade true so that it's cutting straight on instead of angling one way or the other. Does that make sense? Because if it's too far forward, then there's a little bit of a curvature to the tire, right? And so if the blade is too far forward, that curvature means that the blade wants to turn inward. If the blade is too far back, that curvature means the blade wants to turn outward. If you have it in the correct position, then it wants to stay true. So I would say, see if your blade, if the blade teeth are basically right on that center line of the tire. And if they are, then I'd say we need to look at something else. That would be my first thought, is positioning of the blade on the tire. Hope that helps. If it doesn't, then you can request a refund. You may not get it, but you can request it.